Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I will unboxing Huawei Mate 50 Pro, latest unique phone. Never available in all world, just available in UA and also Dubai, Huawei Mobile. First come first take. Video resume करते हैं. Let's go for unboxing. The software is Harmony OS. You can see powered by Harmony OS 256 GB, 8 GB RAM memory. Oh wow, it's so amazing. Let's go. This one is watcher card from Huawei. 500 dirham you can take discount, and this is the cover, silicone normally cover, and this one 66-watt Huawei supercharger, and the next one is USB cable for the charge. This doesn't have your headset. And let's go for the phone. Wow. Oh, gold and black. It's so amazing, so beautiful. Look the camera. The display is edge, full edge, type C, and this is for the SIM cards, speaker. This one for TV remote. Let's go for activation the phone. But really I like this, so beautiful. See, rounding gold. Software is Harmony OS. Little bit, you need to select the language is all language available: Arabic, English, French, Filipino. Let's go for English. Where is English? Just a minute, you will find the language English. English. Get started. Select region, United Arab Emirates. And for activation needed Wi-Fi. You need to connect the Wi-Fi. Go next, activation. Maybe later. Next, set of new device. Finish. Wow, it's really amazing. Software Harmony OS 3, the latest version. You can see the camera portrait mode, normally night camera and phone camera. It's not heavy. Really beautiful. Thank you for watching the video. Our contact number available in description. First come first take in Rosby Mobile, available latest unique phone, all models. Thank you so much for the watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye bye.